Alright kids, here we are. Welcome back. JJ's Cheap Ass Hat Cam. We're at the river. We're going to test Einstein today. Like I said in part 1, we're going to throw the GPS in it. Just a rough tune on the hull. It's basically zeroed out. And a rough tune on the engine, just basically stock. So we're going to try to avoid hitting things in the river. I don't see anything aside from down there that looks too terribly wicked. So launching these bad boys with one hand while you got the radio in the other is a bit of a trick. So I'm going to gas it up. I don't know if I'm going to throw the GPS in it or not, but I think I will throw the deck cam on there. We got the rescue boat. We're ready to rock. So here we go. All right, let's do a systems check. There's that. I don't need in there. All right. We'll fire this baby up, throw on the deck cam, and see what we get. Get her warmed up. Not bad. Definitely need to tune up this hull a little bit. Need to tune up the engine a bit. Handling pretty good though. I like it. Oh no! Rescue boat time. Alright, well, doom on me. I think I hit an air bubble. You see this big old air bubble in my gas bag? My fault, my bad. So, we're going to pull that out. Oh, that's why my clip gave way. Alright, let's get this underway. That's what happened. Alright. Beautiful. Okay, throw that up there. I will be right back. Alright, let's fatten her up again. Again, stock settings on the engine, nothing tuned in. Just giving her a little break in. Loosening up that engine. Oh, you're killing me, Schmalls. Coming off the turns, I'm losing. I think we're too rich on the engine. So we're going to loosen it up a bit. No, not bad for a Maiden. Hull's running pretty true. Looks like we're hanging up on that turn fin a bit. See it? Let's tune her in a little bit. Oh, so close. So a lot of people wanted to see my rescue boat. So we're going to do that real quick. If I can figure out what I did with the remote, that'll be awesome. Turn this one off. Turn this one on. Now obviously this isn't a hell of a hard rescue. This thing has a fork on the front and the ability to tow. I have a tow buoy in the back. So we're just going to push it in here. Squirrely. That's it. And it does have reverse and all that good stuff. So let me play with the turn fin on this thing a little bit and we'll see what we can get. Be right back. A little better. Always make sure you got water coming out of the ports. She's running pretty good. Can dial in the hull a little bit. I like it. For a maiden, I don't hate it. There we go. Alright, let's bring her in. I've only watched circles so many times. There you are. Alright, buddy. Good job. I like it. So, kids, hope you liked it. We got some tuning to do. I think the high-speed needle needs to come in a little bit. We need to tune the hull up. But for right now, we're just having a little bit of fun. I'm going to run some tanks through this engine and call it a day. Keep the dry side up, kids. Bye.